how the nomenclature of a triangle is being done, how easy the question is. We need not to do anything, just simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, and we can immediately get an answer for the problem. Dear students, greetings and a very warm welcome for the session. I hope your preparation is going in full swing and in the top gear as well. On and off, I've been getting calls and messages from the students. They are saying, sir, everything is going fantastic. We have really pulled up our socks, and a couple of students have demanded for a couple of more innovative questions from geometry. So here comes one. We can call it as a Kohinoor concept of geometry. So first of all, I will pose a question in front of you, and then you will take some time in order to solve it, and subsequently you can look for my way of getting down to the solution of this problem. Give it an honest, earnest approach. First of all, I am going to explain you the problem, and then thereafter आप अपने आप से इसे 2-3-4 मिनट तक ट्राई करेंगे और फिर मेरा तरीका इसे सॉल्व करने का देख सकते हैं. Let's understand this concept, which is based upon very simple concept, which is our first formula in the class, which we do as the first formula in the class. The hint is this. Now, first of all, let's see the question. Here comes the question. We'll try to hold bull by its horn. Side AB, BC, AC are divided by the points DEF in the ratio 1:4, 2:5 and 5:2 as shown. If the area of the triangle ABC, that means the area of the larger triangle, white triangle, is 490 meters square, then we need to identify the area of the blue triangle DEF in same units. DEF का area हमें निकालना होगा, right? The hint is the very first formula which we do in our class. It is based upon such relatively simple concept. Everybody should give it a trial for another 2-3-4 minutes on their own, and then you can look for my way of solving the problem. आप अच्छे से इसे 2-3-4 मिनट तक अपने आप से ट्राई करें और उसके बाद मेरे मेथड से इसे समझने की कोशिश करें. So just pause the video, solve it on your own, and then look for my way of solving the things. I will be back within a while from now. If you are able to solve it, you are bang on the target and on the right track. Congratulations. And if you are not able to solve it, do not get disheartened at all, because it's slightly a better question than the question that have been asked. Let's try to hold the bull by horn and try to figure out the solution for this innovative question. Let's refer to the very first formula which we'll do in our class. Area for any general triangle is half of base into height. This is the formula for the area. It is base, and here comes the height. Also, we know how the nomenclature of a triangle is being done. Vertex B के opposite होती है side B, vertex C के opposite होती है side C, और vertex A के opposite होता है side A. Right? Now, we know perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equal to sine of opposite angle. This is perpendicular. This is hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse is sine of opposite angle. H upon A is equal to sine of angle C. So H is equal to A sine C. And quickly we can replace here H by A sine C. So area for a triangle can be written as half B into A sine C. So which will become half AB sine C. The formula is very simple to remember. Take the product of any two adjacent side, include sine of angle between them, do half of the entire stuff is the area. I hope it is absolutely clear with everybody. Take the product of any two adjacent side, A into B, include the sine of angle between them, and do half of the entire stuff is area for a triangle. Very simple, elementary, the first formula which we deal in our class. So if we are taking side A and B, inclusive angle will automatically become C, and in a very similar way the area can be manifested in 3 different ways. So we have here half BC sine of angle A, half BC sine of angle A, and in the same way we can say the formula can be manifested as half AC sine of angle B, half AC sine of angle B. If we are taking side A and B, inclusive angle will become C. If we are taking B and C, inclusive angle will be A, and if we are taking side A and C, inclusive angle will be B. So half AB sine C, half BC sine A, half AC sine B is the area for a triangle. I hope we all are very well aware of this particular thing. This simple first formula from the class and how it can be applied here, let's see here and try to solve this question. So for a while, first of all, I will give you the conventional approach, then I will also tell you how you can be typically fast while solving the question and you can avoid the calculation. Let's see. Say this is equal to, for a while, let me take it as 4x and this is equal to x. So this complete side will eventually become 5x. Yes, sir. And let it be equal to 2y, let it be equal to 5y because it was the ratio, and then the complete side will become 7y. Now let's consider the area of the large triangle via the formula. Let's consider area of the large triangle via the formula. So area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC. So this y triangle ABC, its area or delta will be given by half 5x into 7y includes sine of angle between them, sine of angle B. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half 5x into 7y into sine of angle B. The inclusive angle is B. Now let's talk about area of this small yellow triangle DBE, area of triangle DBE. So area of triangle DBE, half of 4x into 2y, so which is equal to half into 4x into 2y into sine of angle B, into sine of angle B. I hope I am making an absolute sense with everybody. Really simple. Half of 4x into 2y into sine of angle B, half of 4x into 2y into sine of angle B. So if you want to evaluate what fraction is this yellow area, ये येलो एरिया पूरे वाइट एरिया का क्या फ्रैक्शन है वो मैं निकालना चाहता हूँ, तो वो बहुत ही सिंपल हो जाएगा. देखिएगा आप, गौर फरमाइएगा, हाफ हाफ कैंसिल आउट, साइन बी कैन, एक्स वाई एवरीथिंग कैंसिल्स आउट. इट इज 4 into 2 divided by 5 into 7. This is the crux, and how we can be fast at things will be dependent upon whether you have understood it or not. Very simple. The small triangle 4 into 2, 4 into 2, वो साइन ऑफ एंगल बी तो ऊपर नीचे कैंसिल हो जाना है. 4 into 2, बड़ा ट्रायंगल 5 into 7. So 4 into 2 is a smaller one and bada wala is, large one is 5 into 7. I hope the point is made. This small fraction as a fraction of total is 8 upon 35, is 8 upon 35 of the larger area. Whatever is the larger area, this smaller area, yellow area is 8 upon 35. Now, how easy the question is, we need not to do anything, just simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, and we can immediately get an answer for the problem. Let's see now. I hope I am able to explain it well. Now, there is no need of writing x and y because x, y, sine of angle, everything is going to be cancelled out. So, let's quickly solve this question and directly move on to the solution. So, here comes the solution part of it. This yellow triangle will be equal to 4 into 2 divided by 5 into 7. मैं यहाँ पे एक बार पूरा भी measurement यहाँ पे लिख लेता हूँ. 7. This is, I'm not saying it is 7 unit because the ratio is going to cancel out. So for a while, let us do like this, and here it's also going to be 7. Now let's see yellow. The yellow one I will write with the yellow font. 4 into 2 divided by 4 into 2 divided by 5 into 7 of the larger triangle. ये हमारा येलो का पोर्शन हो गया, फ्रैक्शन हो गया as compared to the larger triangle. बोलिए yes. Now let's see it further on. This green one. Now let's talk about this green one. The green one is 2 into 5. The green one is 2 into 5 divided by 7 into 7. I hope I am making some absolute sense with everybody. This 2 into 5 divided by 7 into 7. So it is 10 upon 49 fraction of the larger area. Am I right? Am I making absolute sense with everybody? Now let's have a look at the third one, or which I can say, which one? Let me take say pink color as such. This pink triangle, what fraction of area will it be? 1 into 5. Pink will be equal to 1 into 5 divided by 1 into 5 divided by 5 into 7. 5 into 7. ये सब as a fraction of larger triangle आ चुके. We can write here this fraction of A, this fraction of A, and this fraction of A. Now Remaining is a calculation part of it which everybody will be able to manage. Denominator में यहाँ पे 35 आ रहा है, यहाँ पे 49 आ रहा है, यहाँ पे let's make all of them equal. So what I will do, I will use a red color. I will do into 7 into 7. I will do into 5 numerator and denominator into 5, and I will do into 7 and into 7. I hope the denominator is common to everybody, which is equal to 5 into 7, 35 into 7. 35 into 7 is 245. Denominator is common to all of them, which is 245. ऊपर क्या आया एक बार बता दीजिए. 56 by 245. देखो ये सबका कॉमन हो गया है, एलसीएम हमने यहाँ पे ले लिया है. सो डैट इज गोइंग टू बी 50 एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 35 अपॉन 245 वॉज 5 into 7, 35 into 7, 245 was common to all of them. Now here it is, this is equal to 141 by 245 of the fraction of the total. यहाँ A लिखेंगे, A लिखेंगे, A लिखेंगे, A represent the total area. I hope I am making absolute sense with everybody. अब ये इन तीनों ट्रायंगल के एरिया का सम आ गया है from the larger triangle. From the bigger triangle, biggest triangle in the picture, white triangle, if you remove all these three areas, we are going to get the blue area. So the larger triangle has an area A. Suppose A minus 141 by 245 of a combined area. This area, right, is the remaining area, that is equal to 104 by 245 of A. 105 by 245 of A is the remaining area, which is going to be the required area, which is going to be the blue area, I hope it is absolutely clear with everybody now. So this will come out to be, and A we know, A, the larger triangle area we already know, it is 490. So larger triangle area is 490. So this triangle is 104 by 245 of 490. 104 by 245 of 490, which is eventually equal to 208. So blue area is going to be 208 meter square. I hope a relatively simple, easy question which does not require any high fly fundamental, no geometrical construction. Nothing unusual was actually required, and a powerful formula on which a lot of GATE questions have been asked in the past. Half AB sin C have been manifested in multiple questions in GATE. So how a relatively simple and a easy formula could be applied for solving a innovative questions. Let me sum up the entire idea once more so that we can get a absolute hang on of the things. These are the ratios in which side is going to be divided. Now, I have explained it that half AB sin C is the area. So if you want to calculate what fraction is this yellow area for the larger one, this is 4 into 2 and the larger one is 5 into 7. All x, y, sine of angle will get cancel out. So it is eventually equal to 8 by 35 of A. This is 4 into 2 divided by 5 into 7, 8 by 35 of A. And similarly, we can calculate all of them. In a very similar way, we have calculated and subtracted the yellow, green and pink from the larger triangle. If we subtract all these three, we will be left with the blue triangle, that is 104 by 245 of the larger triangle, and the larger triangle is 490. So I hope you will keep on having phenomenal learning experience. You will keep on learning new things. We'll be again back with some more innovative questions from different topics. In all our endeavors, we feel like may you always rise higher and shine brighter. Thank you so much, guys. All the best.